The Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2024 has been awarded to three brilliant minds: David Baker from the University of Washington, and Demis Hassabis and John M. Jumper from Google DeepMind. Why? For their groundbreaking work on protein folding. Proteins are the unsung heroes of life, driving essential reactions and acting as the building blocks of our bodies. This year's award highlights two major breakthroughs: the creation of innovative proteins and the ability to predict protein structures from amino acid sequences. David Baker has been a pioneer in designing unique proteins since 2003, leading to new pharmaceuticals and vaccines. Meanwhile, Demis Hassabis and John Jumper revolutionized the field with AlphaFold, an AI model that can predict the structure of nearly all known proteins, over 200 million of them. This incredible advancement empowers researchers worldwide, enhancing our understanding of issues like antibiotic resistance and even tackling plastic waste. The ability to design and predict proteins opens up endless possibilities for the future, marking a monumental leap for science and humanity.